Yes, just like you, I want to skip ahead and make great art from the inspiration given by one of those artists that I deeply admire. But after trying and trying, I just fail. And it's just because I want to do complex art before starting simple. Sup everyone, I'm Nemesis from Ngon85. Welcome to my channel. In this short video, I wanted to talk about why starting simple is important and how I am applying this to my 3D art. Starting simple. You may relate to my situation as a rookie artist learning how to sculpt digitally. I just want to do some crazy complex art inspired by the stylization and approach from masters like Young Sculpts or Polygon. Or sometimes you just want to sculpt a light speed similar to Nico from Speedchart, or be super detailed on your execution like Flycat. But are you being realistic? Can you really sculpt like that? Are you at that level already? As a new artist and as a fan, we see great results without asking ourselves how these artists got to that level. Nico from Speedchart has been working in the gaming industry for years. From Polygon, you can find videos on YouTube that are 7 years old. And while watching one of those old tutorials from Young Sculpts, he mentioned how he practiced for 10,000 hours in order to master the craft. Understanding this makes you realize that this is not a sprint, but a marathon. I have looked at my art wondering why it's not there yet, and it was pretty obvious to me. I have not put the work, I have skipped the basics, and of course I want to do too complex art from the very beginning. So I have decided to go back to basics and start simple. Starting simple and mastering the basics is required to any skill in life. In this current situation, it will allow you to familiarize yourself with the software, how to navigate through it, learn the shortcuts, how to use the brushes, proportions, etc. So why not invest some time on that and then jump into a more advanced topic? You cannot build a 10-story building without a solid foundation. My approach to this is to focus on very simple concepts. Models that I can complete quickly, but important that I can complete. So normally a day before, I go to Pinterest and search for simple concepts, but cool enough to awake my interest. I like those with simple shapes and not many parts, as I want to keep it simple. After I have some sort of mood board, I like to do a bit of tracing so I can better understand the concept and shape. Then the next day in the morning, I get my hands dirty with the sculpting. Doing simple models, apart from the benefits previously mentioned, has another important benefit. It allows you for a quicker and higher rate of completion, and it will motivate you to do more. That is what I'm aiming with this channel, document my development while we can all learn together as new digital artists. If you like this content, please consider to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any topics you would like to be covered or suggestions for the channel, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.